Another tool that's not in the timeline toolset but is related to those tools is the clip skimming tool. Now let me explain. I'm going to build here a 4-up display so that we can see 4 images at the same time. And so just to quickly do this, I'm going to call that clip on top of this one, shorten it to the same size, this clip on top of that, shorten it to the same size, and then finally this clip on top of them all. Now when we look at this clip, it's because it's full size, is hiding the 3 clips below. So what we can do with this clip is to resize it to 1/4 of the screen. And we'll just do this on a rough basis. You could resize these mathematically if you wished, and there are plugins and tools to do that, but just so that we can see what's happening here, since that's the top one, we can now see a clip below, which is this one, and we can resize that to fit in this area here. So this one just needs to be a little bit smaller, and where that's roughly the correct size, we can copy that one, and by using the Shift and Command key with the V, we can transform the clip that we've got here selected with the yellow outline to the same size as this clip. And it's not only the same size, but it's moved to the same position, so we just need to move it out from behind there and position it here. We can then do the same to these 2 clips here, selecting both of those, and with Shift, Command and V and transform, then we can undo the position one and they'll stay in the same place, and all we then need to do is move those aside and move this one aside. And now when we play through these 4 clips, we can see them as a 4-up display. Now to tidy this up, you may want to put a black outline in those join areas just to tidy up the rough edges, but that's not what we're trying to do at this stage. What we want to do, what we find is that when you go over those clips, you can only ever see the 4 clips playing at the same time. By using the clip skimmer tool, then as you go over one clip, you only see the content of that one clip. So it's a fairly simple tool, but very valuable if you want to see the value of that one clip. Now also, if we were to go back several paces and have these as full clips as they were when we started, with the clip skimmer tool selected, when we go over those clips, we can certainly always see the top clip when we're going through here, but when we skim on this one, we can see the clip below, and then the clip below that, and then the clip below that. The next session will look at creating keyframes in the timeline.